Hi Stampers, Jackie Bolhuis from Klompen Stampers. Where's my dog lovers out there? Today we are talking dogs and adorable puppy cards I have for you. I'm a dog lover, and those of you that know my husband, tell him that Mama needs a dog, because we've been on this battle lately. We haven't been with a dog for a couple of years, and he says, I can't have one. My kids have dogs, they're my grand dogs. Now, that's not what I'm here about, but I get on a tangent when we start talking puppies. I love my grand puppies. So I want to show you some tips for making some adorable dog cards with the stamp set that is called, I gotta double check, Happy Tails, and it comes with a bunch. So let's turn the camera down and let me show you my cards. Can you tell I'm excited when we start talking puppies? Let's go ahead and look at the cards and get stamping. Like I said, I get all excited when we talk puppies, and sorry if I go on tangents about dogs. That's not why we're really here. We're really here to stamp and for me to share some stamping tips so that you can make simple cards. Now, this stamp set is called Happy Tails, and it comes with a coordinating punch. I'm going to give you some tips for stamping these dogs and using the punch, and then we'll come back and we'll take a closer look at the cards I made. Now really, you could stamp these dogs on white cardstock, cream cardstock, any color. I've got the smoky slate. I thought, why don't we go ahead and start by making a kind of a grayish dog. So we are going to, let's see, get these pads over here. We're gonna first go ahead and ink up our puppy in our Memento Black. So he's so cute. He could be that way. He could be without spots. But if you'd like to add spots, we've got the spot maker for our dog. So we're going to ink that one up. We're going to use the same color. We're going to go ahead and do black. And all you need to do is twist it. It's perfect that these are photopolymer so you can see where you're stamping. And look at our spotted dog. Isn't he absolutely adorable? And then once you've stamped him, all you need to do is go ahead and stick it in the punch. And whoops, we're a little bit too high. Let me go trim off the bottom a little bit. So there's a punch tip for you. Make sure you stamp down towards the bottom so that you have room to slide him in there. Now he's gonna fit. So we're gonna just go ahead and line him up and punch him out. And there is our little puppy dog. Now, there is a collar. It doesn't get any cuter than this. You can go ahead and add the collar. I like to add it after I've punched it out. I just feel then I make sure I have my placement. So there's dog number one. And then let's go ahead and switch over to a piece of crumb cake. And this time we're gonna stamp our puppy in early espresso, so we'll have a little bit more of a brown theme going. And then we're gonna use the big spots. And I don't want them quite as dark as my outline, so I'm gonna use crumb cake. So this is what's fun. Whatever color your dog is, you can mix and match. And then spin this around, make sure you have it the right way. We got 3 big spots going at one time. Look at that. Is he adorable or what? Now, if you're a dog lover, you need this stamp set because it's so fun. But really, if you're not even a dog lover, I bet you have friends that are dog lovers. What better way to send fun cards? My kids are all dog lovers and they like nothing better than when I send them dog cards. So that is how you stamp and punch with our puppy dog. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the cards. As always, I kept them really simple. We've got some designer series paper, the wood grain paper. Now don't worry about all the supplies I'm showing you. I will have them over in the blog post, and it will list all of the supplies along with all of the dimensions so that if you want to make these cards, you can go ahead and easily create them. And then Forever Friends, isn't that sweet? Now there is the doghouse in there also. It's 2 pieces, so you can stamp the lighter one for the base of the house and then the detail on top of it. There's not a punch, so if you do want to cut it out, grab a scissors, it's easy to cut. So there is my first one. And then this I thought was fun, just playing with a bunch of different dogs. And again, I used that wood grain. I thought the Wood Textures Designer Series paper kind of worked perfect with the theme here. Keep calm and wag on. And I love this. A best friend leaves a paw print on your heart. So put a dog on the inside, added the little paw and heart. All of these stamps are from that one stamp set, Happy Tails. And then I hate to have to make these kinds of cards, but you know what? When people lose their dogs, there's no better way than to let them know you're thinking about them. So sorry for your loss. Put a puppy on there. And again, we can use the same greeting here. Best friend leaves a paw print on your heart. So I hope you guys think these cards are as adorable as I think they are. And like I said, this is a stamp set that is in the Occasions catalog. It comes with the coordinating punch. If you purchase them together, you do save 10%. And other than that, simple stamping. Make sure you hop on over to the blog. It'll give you a list of all the supplies, all the dimensions, everything you need to make these cards. And if you have any questions, as always, make sure to let me know. I'm here to help you with all your stamping needs and especially help you learn and realize that stamping is simple. We can make quick and easy cards. We don't need a ton of stuff, and we can make cards and send cards. You know, I don't always talk about sending them, but if you're a paper crafter and a card maker, make sure when you make cards, you send them. There's nothing better than getting happy mail in a mailbox. So until I stamp with you again, have a stamp happy day.